Hi, so today I'm going to show you a place here. You can see it's quite beautiful out here. So this is our farm right here. It's not that big, so it extends from up there, up. Yeah, that's not ours. It belongs to somebody else. Then down that way, this is a highland. A highland. You can see the several hills. You can see at the end there is one, so you can see it's not really visible from here. Let me get up here. Yeah, up there. So we are up. You can see down there, this is a downhill. So we are actually in the middle. So I planted some maize right here, but I did not do well, especially this side where there are trees. So I'm not sure, I actually don't know what I can plant here. From that banana there to this banana, it's not banana right there. Here in the middle up to down there, nothing actually grows here. Nothing actually, as you can see. This type of maize is not supposed to be like this. Yeah, it's quite short. And it has not developed anything. So I actually don't know. I need someone who can comment down there and tell me what can work well here, because it seems nothing grows here, especially food crops. Only so this place right here is the problem. So it has actually consumed half of this farm going down there. So food crop starts to grow from here. Yeah. So these are my vegetables right here. So I usually don't go to buy. So I come here when I need some and I just take for a day or two. Yeah, it has not rained. I've added some. Added some here. It has not rained for like a month now. That's why they are like that. But see that side there, they are growing. It's a mixture. So I have sukuma wiki here, right here. This one, I have what we call managu here. Not much. That there's another one right there. Another one, another one. I have spinach. That way. I have onions here. Yeah. I have another one, this here. Different types. We have this right here. We call kunde. I have another one down here. Let me see. There's even coffee here, although I'm not so much concerned about it because it's not profitable, especially when it's not much. So I have also pumpkin here. This is actually edible. There is another one here, and another one up there. Yeah, that one. So these are some maize, not do well. So I planted some here. In here, I've actually harvested 3 days, I guess, 3 days ago or 4 days ago. I took the ones that had already dried, like this one. So we also have tea. Actually, this is tea. This is actually from here down there. It's tea in here. It's not profitable, especially for small scale farmers like me. This is actually my dad who planted this long time ago. It's been here for some time. Yeah. So I've not, no one has been plucking it. So as you can see, I left some maize here. They not do well, especially this side of the way. There's a forest that way. So this side did not do well. So that side there did well. Yeah. You can see the hills that way, that side. Let me zoom in. Yeah, there. So we are surrounded by hills actually. These are hills. That side, there's a hill that side, going all the way that side, all this, going round, going round. It's a hill. You cannot actually see it well from the camera, but we are surrounded by hills. Yeah. So there are some which have not dried like this. There's ones. So I'm actually picking these ones to go and roast. Usually roast them in the evening, just like now. It's actually in the evening. So I light the fire and roast them. So they're not much. So I pick some, yeah, and roast. They're quite small, but they're very sweet. You say short and sweet. Yeah. See, I'm going to pick them in this way. It's actually a nice place. Very nice. It's cool, relaxing. Yeah, relaxing, especially for the retirees, not for young people like us. It's just a walk. As you can see, there are even birds in here. This is how peaceful it is. Don't want to disturb it. Let me see. Yeah, that's a bird in there. There are actually two. Yeah. These were, I saw these eggs. Think I don't remember when, but I saw them sometime. Left them. See, they have hatched. They are here. So I'm not going to disturb them. These are young ones. Once they mature, they can leave. You see, they think that I want to feed them. Oh, they were actually 3, not 2. They're even more. Okay, let me leave and stop disturbing them. Yeah, there is some. I saw another one up there, but they are only eggs. If they are about to hatch, I don't know. So down there is where we fetch water. I will show you that next time, and not today. When I record next, I'll be taking you there to the river. You actually have two. It's not a river actually. It's some kind of a stream. So water comes from up here, and then we take from down there. We fetch it from down there. And if we go down those trees, it's a long way down there. There is another stream. Yeah, actually, I cannot call them as the streams or what. It's like water coming from the ground. Yeah. So water comes from the ground down there. That's where we fetch it. So it runs down there. So from up, okay, I'll do a video on that. I'll show you how it is. It actually comes from the ground down there, and we fetch just from there. Yeah. So let me pick some corn or maize. So this is good here. So I'm going to take this one. And another one. Another one. Just fill. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm going to roast them. Okay. We even have avocado right here, but dried up. I also don't know what happened. So we have some fruit trees, though not much, but the sister allowed. This what's this called? Guava. Call it mapera in Swahili. I've been eating this, but you can see it's still producing fruits. Yeah. So I harvested from this place 2 weeks ago. It also did not do well. So you can see that side, there's still some maize there, but they never grew tall. This was my first time actually planting here. That's I was surprised at the result. I was not actually happy because you can say it was a loss for me. Yeah, you can see the rain what the rain did. Some fell. Majority of the ones that were here fell. They started to rot before even harvesting. You can see these ones. Yeah, not well. I blame that forest, no, trees right there. But not actually blame them. They're good for this place. So I have, so this one down there, these are mine. So that side right there, those are not ours. So from these two right here down there, this is ours. Some are my dad's, some are mine, but it is they're ours. So we don't actually have restrictions of who to harvest or cut to use. Yeah, so these are ours. From up here down there. So this is a way it leads to that stream I told you earlier. You have some coffee here, but we are not actually concentrating so much on them. So these are trees. It's kind of a small forest. They are not much. I planted some during the rainy season, but because of the shade, they did not grow. They dried up. Yeah. So you can see there's this one. If you can see, that's not very clear. Yeah, that one. So I planted some, but most of them dried. So I will actually plant others. So like this side, there are no much trees here. So I'm going to add some. So that stream comes from up there, the far end there, then runs down here. You actually can't see well, but just listen to that sound. Yeah, it's actually visible. That's water. You can feel that. So it goes down this way. Is that right there? Goes down that side. There's another place where people fetch water down there, but they do not fetch this one. There is another one that comes from the ground down that side. So it's not actually this one. They are not using this one. This one is not that clean since it has run through all that channel, but up there it's clean, but it gets dirty on the way down here. So those there, yeah, up. So I'm going to add some trees here to make it denser. These trees are actually helped a lot when I was building. Like, I did not buy any tree. I just came in here and picked some. So it goes up all the way up there. So that will be the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye.